Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. Normally, the first time when we start these, we usually have a box or something, or some tool that's located in a box, and we call this the unboxing, if you will, of a particular product. In this case, we've got this Klein bag that we're gonna kind of take a look at today, and it's a little bit more of an unbagging versus an unboxing. When I saw it on the shelf, the very first thing that I noticed was that it was a sleek looking bag. It's got a really cool color scheme to it, black with the highlighted oranges there, and only a little bit of gray. The first thing that I think about when I look at bags is, as technicians, they're gonna get dirty. They're gonna, lay on the ground sometimes, you're gonna be in attic sometimes, you're just gonna be in places where it doesn't necessarily have a janitor come by it on a daily basis. So the very first thing that popped out to me was that it's a bag that's pretty easy to keep clean. And then if you look on the back, the shoulder straps on the inside kind of have a little padding to them, and then those cushions for the back that rest against your back. I put the bag on and it's pretty comfortable. You've got your tools kind of weighing you down, and now you've got some relief from your body as you carry this bag. There's a little pocket of information on the front side of the bag, and when you open it up, the very first thing that it points out to you is the fact that you've got over 39 different compartments for your tools. On the other side, the back side of the bag, well, it would be the front side of the bag, you've even got some Velcro flaps. You might have a manometer or a tool or something like that, or even a meter that you want to keep really secure, make sure that it doesn't move around. So you've got those Velcro straps to kind of keep all of that secure. In the back of the bag, those pockets go all the way down, so if you've got long nut drivers, screwdrivers, different things like that, you've got a couple of straps where you can put tools there to hold them all in place. And then you'll feel that hard, rigid padding that's there to kind of keep all of that stuff secure. Now, I know a lot of people in the industry probably have a Klein bag or may have had someone that they knew that worked in the industry with that bag. This year they added a couple of different things to it. With the HVAC world and the tool manufacturers going kind of digital and going that whole smart route, a lot of times we have products that we need to protect. So they've got this hard casing. You can put your safety glasses in there. Some people may have special lenses on their safety glasses. You can put those in there and make sure that they don't get broken. Or if you have a particular tool that has smart capabilities and you don't want it to get jostled around inside of the bag, you got that hard protective front covering for that. It's also got a back pocket and a nice soft material in between, and that way you don't necessarily scratch lenses and different things of that nature. And then the last part of it, you've got this front zipper part where you can store stuff. It's kind of got that accordion style fold out there. But the thing I like about it the most is that once you put stuff in there, it all kind of collapses and it's very firm, nice and tight. That way your tools and things like that don't move around. In my opinion, this is a pretty slick looking bag. It's got a couple of other hooks on the side for other tools. You might want to hook different things to that so that you can carry them. 151 different uses for that. You can use it as a strap for hanging different tools off of. And then lastly, on the other side, that metal clip. Now, a lot of our power tools, our drills and things of that nature may have a clip where we can hang on the side of that bag. So with all of that, it's a pretty functional bag, and it's got a lot of different features that will make it very useful to the technician. And this is the Klein Tradesman work bag. Pretty slick looking tool. We'll see you next time on Toolbox Tuesday. Thanks for tuning in.